Yeah, these are the head. These are the head of different birds. This one you call it a hornbill.
And look at that one with white and black.
You call it white back peeping crow.
What?
Piping crow. Piping in China. Oh no.
It's a fluff.
Oh wow. It's like
This
chicken
is that
nuggets.
crazy
Huh?
one.
What's that?
It's crazy one.
Yeah. You know what? It's also a pigeon. They call it Victoria Crown pigeon.
Oh, look at that.
What's that? You know it.
It's a pita.
Huh?
It's a pita.
No, it's not a peacock.
No,
What's
it's
that?
It's a pita.
No.
Is it an owl?
An owl. Yeah, there are like different kinds of owl. There is this kind of owl. And then there's another one. It's called a barn owl. And then there's another one. Which
Oh,
is,
this is because I have that.
they're all owls.
But this is the name because he's the.
That one is a rook.
But
They call it rook.
so it's but what is a white.
Yeah, the one from